It's a graduated intensity of the momentum until it dissipates and then that stops painting. So that's cool too because it tells you when the move is out of gas.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, April 14th, 2025. And you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, the Trump administration recently announced exemptions for smartphones, laptops, and other electronics from its steep reciprocal tariffs, offering temporary relief for tech companies like Apple and Nvidia. However, President Trump clarified on Sunday that these products remain subject to an existing 20% fentanyl-related tariff and are simply being reassigned to a different tariff category. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick further noted that these exemptions are temporary, as upcoming semiconductor-focused tariffs will soon include these items. The exemptions have been welcomed by tech investors, but the shifting tariff policies continue to create uncertainty in markets, with analysts warning of potential price increases and supply chain disruptions if new tariffs are imposed. Meanwhile, global markets have responded positively to the news, with European stocks opening higher and US futures gaining momentum. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you like the show.
Starting with the currency pairs, Aussie-New Zealand, nothing going on here. We're going to skip that. Aussie US dollars, same thing, nothing going on. Euro Canadian dollar, hyperextended, we're going to pass on that. Pound Canadian dollar, hyperextended, we are also going to pass on that. New Zealand US dollar, that is in the zone, that's in an uptrend. We are waiting for a long sweet spot to form there. Singapore dollar chief, overextended, skip it. US Canadian dollar, overextended, skip it. US chief, overextended, skip it. So we only have one setup for today.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and become part of the Trade Faction today.
Indicator All-Stars is next, and I got another one from the Big Beluga. This is a momentum indicator, and it tells us when and which direction momentum is swinging. There's a couple of things to point out here. It is an oscillator. So when momentum changes, you get these little arrows. So that's your first indicator that price is about to go in the other direction. He, of course, has these beautiful visual indicators using color, like this red area here, to show you when you're in a valley of downward momentum or a peak of upward momentum. So that's two really nice things. And then within the price, that's an oscillator that lives below your chart.
Yeah.
Within the actual price chart, he also has those same momentum directional indicators to tell you when it's going one way or another. It's a graduated intensity of the momentum until it dissipates and then that stops painting. So that's cool too because it tells you when the move is out of gas.
Gotcha.
So what do you think?
I think it's extremely nice. It's easy to look at, easy to follow.
Yep.
The momentum shift is on the bottom. I look at that and say, okay, so I should start looking at there. They got the, looks like some arrows at the top. Looks pretty easy to follow.
Yeah, it does. I'd have to put it through the ringer to see how effective it is. If it's checking them off, that's the way you use it.
A little different than when I first thought.
That's different than what we both thought. So that just means it's there. It
Mhm.
starts checking them off like that, then it's working. It's an interesting take on an idea. That is all I have for today.
Awesome.
Have a good trading day.
Happy trading to you. See ya.
Later. Over and out.